Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable call waiting on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone, and from here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings, and from here just tap on calling accounts. Now as you can see from here, just choose your SIM card. If you have two SIM cards on your smartphone, both SIM cards will be shown right here. Right now I have one SIM card on my smartphone, so I will tap on SIM 1. Now from here just tap on additional settings. Now just wait for a few seconds, then make sure you enable call waiting. And this is how you can enable call waiting on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.